Hi everyone, Mike here from the 252 team. I'm here to tell you about something exciting that we are adding to the curriculum starting in August. As we're traveling through God's one big story through this school year, we wanted to give kids a way to see a visual timeline as well. We have an overall timeline that looks like this. This will be a slide that you can show on screen. And then for each week of curriculum, we have what's called today's story image. So for example, for the story of the fall, we have this image here. The timeline and the story image, all of this takes place every week in the outro. So that means you have a few options. You can show the slides, which are in the script. You can show the timeline and then show the story image slide on screen. And then if you want, you can also make a timeline on your wall, just like what you see back here. This is just a very simple example of one. You could do this with fishing line, you could do this with craft paper, or you could literally just attach it to the wall. In the script, you can see where you would show the slide for this image, and also it gives you a cue in the stage direction to go ahead and add that to your timeline on the wall. You can find these printouts, the portrait versions, you can find these in your large group visuals assets PDF as well as your images folder. You can also find the landscape slides, which is the Adam and Eve one like I just showed you, or the timeline slide. These are available in all the different sizes as well so that you can put them on your screens. Again, the whole point here is that we can help kids understand God's big story and to see how all the different stories fit together. We'll be providing these images all through the fall and all through the spring so you can keep adding the images to your one big story timeline.